Hello everyone, welcome back to Hassan Ali Promoters. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now I am at Ibrahimpatnam town. We'll show you some land here in Eliminadu village. Here I have 15 acres of land. The value of land is rupees 2 crore rupees per acre, slightly negotiable. It's a clear title land with Telangana latest Patta passbook. And this Eliminadu village, it's a very developing village because government of Telangana allotted 500 acres of land here in this Eliminadu village. So for this village, it's a very developing. You have two connecting roads. One you can go from Ibrahimpatnam town, and second you can come from Kongrakalam and Adibatla. To going this side, we had to take this right. You will find one petrol pump from here after crossing this Ibrahimpatnam town. So this right roads connects to Adibatla via Pocharam and Eliminadu village. So from here we had to take this right. It's hardly 6 kilometers from Ibrahimpatnam and 30 kilometers from LV Nagar and 15 kilometers from Adibatla and 11 kilometers from outer ring road. So this straight roads goes to Kongrakalam and Adibatla. And this Eliminadu village, the government allotted 500 acres of land. You can search this on Google. You will find many links regarding this allotment. Because recently Telangana government also tweeted regarding this land. So it's a aerospace park, 500 acres aerospace park in Eliminadu village. And if you want to sell or promote any property anywhere in Hyderabad, you can contact me on 7032 449911. So it's a very developing village and surrounded by many ventures. I am showing the road. Just you can see the development and surrounding. It's a BT road and we have land on this road itself. From Ibrahimpatnam it's 6 kilometers, exactly 6 kilometers, and before Eliminadu village. From our land, Eliminadu village is 1 kilometer. So I have kept the dimension and survey numbers also. You can see that on the end of the video. So I request you all to watch the complete video. And it's a paper cutting tweet I found on this Google. So it shows that aerospace park in Eliminadu village. So there are many links are there on Google. You can find itself regarding this 500 acres aerospace park. And this right roads goes to Pocharam. Pocharam also a very well known village in Adibatla. And just Pharma City also is coming on Muchella Pharma City. So it also a very good point here. You have aerospace park and Muchella Pharma City. So there are many more IT companies are coming here, and it's very near to Adibatla. After coming on this left, you will find this our property. So you can see the surroundings here. Just we are going to reach our source property. So it's a totally 15 acres of land with Telangana latest patta passbooks, and this left land is our land. We have reached here. So there are fencing is there. You can see the fencing from this left side till that pottery farm. It's total 15 acres of land. It's a totally actually 15.8 acres. 15 acres, 8 guntas. 8 guntas of land goes in this road itself. So it's now 15 acres. It's a road level land. You can see this. It's a red soil, and it's a direct owner property to me. If any of you are interested, you can let me know. I can arrange a meeting. Just tell me one day before. And if you want to sell or promote your property anywhere in Hyderabad, the plots, flats, land and houses, just ring me up. We'll come and shoot your property video and post on my platform. So you can see it's a clear red soil, road level land. It's ideal for venture too. If you're planning for a venture, it's a very ideal place. You will get a good appreciation here. Once this aerospace park work started, you will get a good return here, and it's a very ideal place. It's just before to town, and before that allotted land. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing, keep supporting. This is our dimension plan. You can see the survey numbers here. It's 428 and 429. It's with latest Telangana passbook. It's a clear title property. Thanks for watching again. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in next video.